very much. I'm really happy. I'm really happy for the girl. Yeah, I really well and I could clean it. It could big. You see me? So here is it. So far, come here. So far, here is it. You see me? I should have 150, but due to the fact that I have a pre-order the chicken them, I'm looking to get the 100. You see me? So here is it. So Tuesday coming, I'm going to get some more. So over here, some have 4 bags of feed. You see me? Show them me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5 bags of feeding. You see me? So yeah, I hate this. But as you can see, it's a big cube. You see me? The cube big enough. You see me? For hold that. How much is the capacity to feed the cube?
2,000 of ground and 4,000.
So
So
the capacity for that cube for me is 2,000. You see me? But overall it can hold up to so 4,000. You see me? But remember I'm not for me alone cube, a people cube. You see me? So landlord give me that amount for myself. You see me? So yeah, so far I mean this right after so. You see me? So yeah man, everything up and running. You see me? So yeah man, my peace man. Whole heap of respect and manners, a greatness, you know. Blessings and manners. One more, up next. So in case you guys want to reach out to me, my number it is 876-538-2773. I'm really grateful. I'm not lie. You see me? Really grateful. Thank you for everything so far and for everybody who still contribute manners and respect. You see me? I can't call everybody name or so, but everybody. Yeah. I appreciate it. Blessings. Out.
So there you just watched the video of Micheal Reid showing what he has done with the donation that he got from the loyal fans and the viewers from different eras of the world. Now it's very good to see that he's actually doing something for himself and he's actually trying his very best to put what he got to very good use, and it just goes to show you that this individual, he was willing to do what he wanted to do, and he just needed that start or that push in order to get him to do what he wanted. But I'm very happy to see that he has started what he wanted to do in such short time, because it's just like a few days ago he came out and did that video, and now when you look, he's actually doing his thing already, trying to turn his life around, and that's very commendable, I must say. But it just goes to show you that this individual is a youth that is very determined, and he really did not want to go down that negative part of crime and violence. And it's one of those situations that I really think needs to be publicized more, and that the video needs to be circulated more so other people can reach out to him and actually help him in any other way that they deem fit. Alright? So hopefully he does get more help, and more help is out there for him. I hope that he just continue and just try to stay on the positive part, as he have often said that some of the time he felt like giving up. And giving up should not be an option, but sometimes in life things don't come your way the way you want to, and you just have to know that certain situation will be too overwhelming for you, and at times you're gonna feel as if there is no hope, and you really need to just try to just reach out to someone, because most of the time you just need someone in order to guide you in that positive direction. And it's very sad to see how this individual had to endure so much struggles before he actually got the help that he needed. But it's very good to see that he has actually got the help that he requested, and so much more needs to be done for this individual, because he reached out to so many people, and actually the people responded in a positive way, which was very good. So I'm just appealing to anyone out there who want to assist this individual. Try your very best to reach out to him, and it's a good thing that people have actually reached out to him, and it's one of those stories that really needs to be publicized some more, and it's a good look. And what he has been doing so far since he got those donation is another positive move in the right direction. So much love and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV. And wherever you are watching this video right now in the world, much love and much respect. It's a beautiful Monday morning, as you can see. It's not actually daybreak as yet. Day is just coming out, but guess what? Once you have life, you have hope, and once you have hope, anything is possible. So Micheal Reid, I should say. Why did I call him young? Micheal Reid, much respect, my brother, and continue to stay on that positive path, because I know that the struggles out there is hard, but guess what? You saw the need to reach out for help, and you did that so positively, and just wrench out your all on social media. And trust me, it really captured the heart of many, and many around the world watch your video, and many more will see it, because we're going to be publicizing those videos and what you're doing with your life since you got the help that you requested. So much love, much respect to the viewers, the subs, wherever you are. Thanks, and always continue to support the movement of Links 007 TV. It's a difficult time out there, a difficult time in the world for many, and this individual, Micheal Reid, is one of the testament that a lot of the young people out there really need a whole lot of help, and a whole lot of help that these individuals need. Some of the times it's just some simple start that these individuals need, and they themselves can take that opportunity or that venture in order to turn their life around. But when they are in a isolation state, or a state that they are stagnant without no alternative, this is where you're gonna have problems, and this is what caused the moral breakdown in our society as it relates to crime and violence. There is not enough opportunity out there for our youth, and this is why we have this high spate of crime and violence, even though some of these youths, they could have tried something else. However, they opt into crime as an easy way out of their struggles. But Micheal Reid, trust me, such an inspirational story, such an inspirational young man as well, and I just hope that he will continue to just be positive and be good. Alright, peace out and bless from Links 007 TV.